What's up, everybody? OBS Bray here, back with another video. We're doing something new to the truck today. Look at that. Box from Forever Sharp, steering wheels. Got me a new wheel. I bought this as a Cyber Monday deal. It's 30% off. Cyber Monday deal was more than the Black Friday deal for whatever reason. As you already know, I already have a custom steering wheel in the truck. This Grant 14-inch wheel. I like this wheel. It came with the truck, but a lot of people don't like it. That ain't the reason why I bought the steering wheel. I bought it because it's this one's starting to peel, and it's just time for something new. But I like this steering wheel. Let me know what y'all think about it. We actually have two of these. I have this one, and there's another one in the shed that came out of a parts truck. But let's open up this new steering wheel and see what I got. Look at that. Forever Sharp steering wheel. Yeah, look at that. That's the this is the horn that I chose. Oh man, that's sick. Look at this. It's the 14-inch billet muscle. Got the black half wrap on the outside and then the billet on the inside. Look at the finger indentions on the back. That's sick. This feels amazing. I like that. Then this should be the horn I chose, which should just say Forever Sharp on it. Today's December 27th. What is this one? Whatever day Cyber Monday is. So I've waited a while to come on the steering wheel for it, but I'm gonna read this and take a read out. Let me put it on. Let's see what we got. Alright, I think for this you actually have a horn. I don't have a working horn. Yeah, look at that. Forever Sharp. That's sick. Look at that. That's nice. Wow. It looks pretty good without it, but I feel like it probably look weird in the truck without it. So I got that. They had some other options, but they made it like way more expensive. So I just got this one. Push it. I don't currently have a horn, so I ain't gonna have to wire that up. But yeah, that's a good looking wheel. Got cool cars, KJ. Out here with us.
I don't remember how to do this off.
We might not need a puller to take this off. That might just be the stock steering wheel.
Yeah, you might still need it. I ain't done a lot of steering wheels, so I don't know. I'm sure it ain't just gonna pop off in her hand, though.
Oh, look at that.
That's crazy.
Is it hooked up? Oh, the horn's hooked into the back of it. I guess it's just not hooked up in the front. Or it doesn't work. Look at that.
Look, they ain't got it. Whatever it goes in, they ain't got it. They ain't got it right.
Dang. It's already got an adapter though. thought that was just a button you push. I didn't even know it actually was hooked or something.
That's odd. How the fuck? That's why you ain't got no horn, because they probably messed this up. I remember reading something about you got to reuse the OEM part and not break it. Because, you know, a stock comes with this OEM.
Yeah.
I just don't remember, man. I just don't remember. It comes with a...
It comes with wires too.
Yeah, it comes with the positive and the negative.
Man, that's a good looking wheel.
Very.
You gotta get a comparison when you put yours in 700.
Oh, for sure.
He got the all black one. Black on the outside and in the inside.
Man, look how small it is. So it's got two.
It's got the heat shrink stuff.
It's small as fuck. God damn. Let's see the back of your horn. Let's see, is it different? Yeah, that's why they give you bigger ones. It's bigger. It's a hair bigger than these are. See how skinny that one is?
Yeah.
All right.
Alright. Finna get a cold start. We're finna head to Ridge's house. He gonna see if he can help us figure out the horn. So, let's get this start up.
Let me see. Did it have a fuse? Did it say one was fused or no?
No, I don't see horn.
I'll look under the hood, man. Let me look under the hood.
It's weird. You figure the horn would be in here.
Definitely.
But it may be on a circuit that it
Look at that. Alright, fuse was corroded.
Yeah, it wasn't blow, but it was corroded, so that might be it. That might be it. This is the setup that was on this truck when I bought it. I ain't never changed the horn, never took it off, the steering wheel off. I ain't never.
Yeah.
Until we get power out there, it's never gonna blow no matter. Shove this bad boy back in there. Now, make sure we got power. But it's still a big pain. Okay, we got power.
Got power?
Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in here and make sure we got power on the contact. Carefully ease down in here. Yeah, we got power now.
Yeah.
Right now,
So you want that little contact thing?
Yeah.
Oh, here. Oh, I hear something.
That's the relay making, but the horn ain't blowing.
Is the horn? Look at the horn. It's just, it don't look like it got nothing coming from it. Like no wires or nothing. Is it supposed to?
Yeah, it
But
don't have a
hidden?
plug on it. Where is it?
It's, if you look through the front of the grill, it's right there.
Yeah, it ain't no plug. It ain't plugged in.
Right.
Okay.
Here, hang on.
So I wonder what's the proper way to. Yeah, it ain't plugged in, and I don't know
It
where
should
it
have
is.
two horns.
Yeah, usually it's one over here somewhere
You got
and
a
one.
high and a low. Oh, look here.
I wonder where the OEM wires are at.
We'll know if you find it and you hit ground. It'll blow the fuse again.
Yeah.
What we'll do, we'll check your grill off another day. It got to be in here. One of these wires is probably for it. But
Yeah.
so now we just
Here you go, Corey. Let me see right quick.
yeah. It's a key out. That's too. Get a bigger one. I'm missing it. It's gotta be the next size up. It's probably the 964. Don't want to strip it out, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because these bolts are definitely better than the ones that came in your old steering wheel. What you think?
Yeah, I think that looks sweet. Look at that. Feels so good on the back with the little finger indentions. That looks slick. Got my everything else billet in here, my knobs, then the wheel.
Yeah. You'll feel it have resistance.
That's probably good enough.
Yeah. Go around and go to the other side now. Either one, do it like a star pattern. Yeah, that's good. Go top. And go around all five. Not tightening them, just making sure they hand tight. Yeah, good. It's turning your steering wheel, so that's good.
That's good.
You making a little video?
Yeah, he wanted to show his before and after.
Gotcha. See, I've actually seen one of those contacts with the plastic part that has the ear that's longer than that. It's about twice as long as that.
I like
Wheels
that.
Straight.
Yeah.
Now you straight out here.
Yeah. I added that to my cart. That's where I'm gonna go and look.
Man, that looks good.
And you know, here's the deal.
Here go another one. Look how long this motherfucker is.
Does it got an ear on it?
Oh.
Yeah, see, that's the one I'm talking about.
Alright, the wheel is in. I'm gonna get some more video when I get back home, but
Square body.
that's it. Let me know what y'all think. Looks way better than the old one. Looks better than the old one. Get some more video at home in the light.
What you think about it?
Man, I'm loving this thing, and it's way thinner too. That one, the black piece was so thick on it. This feels much better. And the finger indentions on the back, feels good. My fingers rested in them.
Yeah.
And it's cool on the back. I like how much thinner it is. This is nice. It's a good $100 spent.
Yeah. Got the thing on Black Friday. No, it wasn't Black Friday.
Cyber Monday.
Cyber Monday, yeah. Looks good.
Yeah, I like it. Alright, back home. Finally look at it. It looks good. I really like how it feels. It's much thinner compared to the other one. I think it is. Yeah, this is nice. Money well spent. Easy install. I didn't even need a steering wheel puller because it's already got aftermarket adapter and all that. So I didn't have to pull no steering wheel. I actually didn't have an airbag. So that was nice. What you think about it, Bitch Cole?
That thing is nice. I'm telling you, it's like you got more space to see in the speedometer, because you know your other steering wheel you can barely see. But that thing is that thing.
You think it looks better?
Looks way better.
Yeah.
Now you just gotta get some wheels to match it.
Heck no. Yeah.
No,
Big
Daddy got one
Joe
with
Cole
steering wheel.
approves. Yeah, he got a black one.
A black one.
Yeah, his is all black for $799. All right, what's your final thoughts on it?
Oh, I think it was well worth it to get it on sale. To get it, for one, it just looks 10 times better.
Yeah. And the chrome was peeling off all on this. Looked like garbage. It was all peeling off.
Yeah, you definitely went from gump it up to pump it up.
Gump it up.
Yeah.
Ain't goofy.
Yeah, that looks good. I think you did good. There, for you to already have a, adapter and all that
Yeah.
in the back, you didn't have to spend no extra
Have
money.
to pay
It
no
was literally,
$60 extra.
it was literally just swap over and you're good.
This is like the first video. Every other video on YouTube and TikTok, they're going from original steering wheel to custom.
Yeah.
I went from custom to custom.
Yeah. It looks good. Without my phone, it does look better with the phone.
Yeah.
But with your knobs and your headlight knob, I mean, that's a hot ticket there.
Yeah.
You can take a step further and do your
You could do
this
handles.
and the
that.
window crank.
I have to look into it.
Yeah. It looks good though. I think you did good. Well worth the 100 and whatever you
It
spent.
was like 112, I think.
Yeah. I think you did good.
Well, that's going to end it off.
He jumped out of my hand.
Like, share, subscribe. We're going to holler at y'all. Peace!